Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling how to cancel your Sable credit card in 2025. If you're looking to part ways with your Sable card, maybe because you're switching to a better option or just streamlining your finances, this guide will walk you through it step by step. It's super important to handle this right to avoid any surprises like fees or credit hits, so let's dive in. First things first, before you cancel, double-check your account. Log into your Sable app or website and review your balance. Make sure there are no outstanding charges or payments due. If you owe anything, pay it off immediately to keep things smooth. Remember, canceling with a balance might lead to collection issues. Once that's sorted, head to the cancellation process. Start by going to your Sable account settings online. Look for the Account Management or Customer Service section. There, you should find an option to request cancellation. If it's not straightforward, don't worry. Sable might have updated their interface for 2025, so keep an eye out for any new features like a dedicated chat support. Next, contact Sable directly. You can call their customer service line, which is usually available 24/7, or use the in-app chat. When you reach an agent, clearly state that you want to cancel your card. They'll ask for verification, like your account number or personal details, so have that ready. Be polite but firm, and ask for a confirmation number or email to document the cancellation. One key tip: if you have any recurring payments linked to the card, update them first to another payment method. Also, think about any rewards or benefits you're giving up. Sable might have changes in 2025, so check their website for the latest policies. Finally, after confirmation, safely destroy your card by cutting it up to prevent any unauthorized use. And there you have it. That's how to cancel your Sable credit card in 2025. It's a straightforward process, but always stay vigilant. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.